name's Darrell Kirban, and I got something really cool to show off today. You're going to want to see this car. Come check it out. Let's open up this trailer to see what's in here. This right here is a one-of-a-kind car, a Lamborghini 1999 Diablo SV Replica. Check out that back end. Now let's pull this baby out. Let me hop out and tell you a couple things about the car. Got the Lambo doors right here. Beautiful feature. This car was built 20 years ago by my dad, Darrell Kirban. He was the D&R Replicars. So I was only 2 years old the last time I was in this car. Now I'm 22 and I got to take it for a ride actually and got to drive it this time. Let me tell you about a couple things that set this car apart from any of the other Replicars. So if we look at the back end here, we have a lot of real Lamborghini parts. We have the real Lamborghini taillights, we have the Lamborghini emblems, we also have the reverse lights, the rubber boots, and this license plate lights. And then everything else here is pretty custom. We have this handmade grille for the car, as well as a custom exhaust to make it look and sound more authentic. Now let's walk over to look at the side of the car. Here we have original Pirelli tires that the real Lamborghinis had. We also have reproduction Lamborghini wheels. Here you'll see a real Lamborghini emblem. And then there's a cool feature up here. Check this out. We have an automatic, it's triggered by a button in the car for the gas fill. And then you'll see on the glass, all the glass pieces are stamped with real Lamborghini logos right there. You'll see that on the glass pieces, including the mirror. And then there's something real cool about this mirror. My dad spent a lot of time designing this. So when somebody bumps into your mirror, oh no, don't worry, it's a breakaway mirror, so your mirror won't break off. And a lot of other Replicars don't have this feature. But he really spent a lot of time, like the real Lamborghinis, designing this feature that it won't break off. So let's move around to the front. Alright, come check out this wiper arm here. So you see this is a copy off of a real Lamborghini wiper arm. It's got these fins, and when you hit high speeds, the wind actually creates a down pressure and keeps the wiper arm on the windshield. You'll see some other Replicars don't have that feature, and the windshield or the wiper wants to fly up. So it has that. It's got all these joints to make sure that the two wiper blades properly clean the windshield all the way to the edge when it articulates. On the glass, you'll see you got the nice Lamborghini logo stamped on there. You also have the real Lamborghini emblem up front on here, as well as the real Lamborghini headlights and parking lights. Then we have reproduction fog lights down there, and I can pop this hood. What's nice about this is it's got the safety feature like the real Lamborghini, so you see it won't open. It's got the safety feature, so if it's not properly latched, it won't fly open while you're driving. So you can pull down and then open it completely. You have the amp in there and the crossovers. You got the SV emblem embossed in there, as well as the real Lamborghini emblem or logo up here, nicely embossed. A cool final detail, make it look nice and finished in there. And when you close this, if you listen to how good it sounds, it closes real nice. All the gaps are very nicely aligned. And then now let's check out the inside of the car. So this car is equipped with JL speakers and an Alpine head unit. On the steering wheel we have the real Lamborghini emblem right on front. We have VDO gauges with Lamborghini logo stamps on there. On the second tier we have all your indicators, turn signals, things like that. The stitching all is beautiful here. We have the real Lamborghini air conditioning vents up here. And then everything's real custom molded, make it look real authentic. We have the headliner, real beautiful up here. We got the Lamborghini bulls up here, nicely embroidered on the back of the seats. Real authentic, it looks real smooth in here. And then on the floor mats we also have the Lamborghini logos. And then something that's also really nice, on the door latches, you got real Lamborghini door latches. The doors close really nice. So now let's take this baby for a ride. This thing drives really nice. Feels good. The brakes are good. Drives strong. And you actually recline in the seats a lot. It feels like you're in a recliner, but really comfy, good visibility actually. You can see out the back with your mirror. All these turns, but it handles really well. You can hit these turns with some speed. When you're driving this car, you sure do get a lot of looks. This thing draws a lot of attention because of its beauty and its uniqueness.
What do you think?
Man, this thing is fun. I want it now. Might try to get my dad to give it to me now. This thing drives nice. So cool.